We all know the importance of a clean drink of water in your workplace, keeping your employees healthy and productive. But is your office starting to look more like a jug warehouse than a workspace? There are many disadvantages to jug-style water coolers, especially that you have to sanitize and maintain them every day. Jug-style water coolers allow viruses and bacteria to build up on the interior and exterior of the machine, leading to health concerns rather than safety. It's time to ditch those nasty jugs and talk with Pure Water Technology of the North about a point-of-use water cooler. All of our coolers provide unlimited amounts of ice-cold and piping hot purified water with a no-touch dispense, providing the safest, healthiest, and most sanitary way to get clean drinking water in your office. Not only are they healthy and sanitary, but they have antimicrobial protection built into all the surfaces, filtration, and the tanks. Stop spending time sanitizing your drinking water cooler and contact us at purewaternorth.com or call us at 701-353-5903 today.